अकेला भी रह गया ना, अकेला, मैं तब भी हकीकी आजादी के लिए इस मुल्क के लिए खड़ा रहूंगा।
The family of former Prime Minister of Pakistan and former captain of Pakistan cricket team Imran Khan, who had the honor of being the first family of Pakistan. Imran Khan was born on the 5th of October 1952 in Lahore.
मुस्तकबिल में इंशाअल्लाह इस मुल्क की तारीख इस चीज की गवाही देगी कि इमरान खान अपने मुल्क के लिए आखिरी वक्त तक अपने मुल्क के लिए खड़ा रहा था.
Father Ikramullah Khan Niazi, a civil engineer, and mother Shaukat Khanum, when he grew up as the only son in a family with 4 sisters. The Khan family has produced many great cricketers, most notably Javed, Barki and Majid Khan. From 1995 to 2004, Imran Khan was married to Jemima Goldsmith, a British socialite turned author and activist, and a member of England's influential Goldsmith family. He has 2 sons from the marriage: Sulaiman Isa Khan born 1996 and Qasim Khan born 1999. The marriage ended amicably in divorce in 2004. In early 2015, Khan announced his second marriage to British Pakistani journalist Imran Khan. The marriage lasted for 9 months and ended in divorce on the 30th of October 2015. In 2018, he married Bushra Manika.